Okay, so we have this interesting exponential equation here. We have x raised to the power 2x equals 2x all in bracket raised to the power x. So let's dive right in. So we have the equation here. I could rewrite the equation, the value on the left hand side. It then becomes x raised to the power 2 all in bracket raised to the power x equals, then this one still remains the same, 2x all in bracket raised to the power x. And of course, if I should open the bracket, I'll get back this term, so they are the same. 2 times x still gives me 2x, so they are the same. But I'm doing this so that I can easily eliminate the x, the power x. And if I want to do this, I can multiply this x by 1 over x. But if I'm multiplying the power here by 1 over x, I have to do the same thing to the power on the right hand side. So I have to also multiply here by 1 over x. So finally, this cancels this, and this cancels this. So I'm left with just x squared, of course still power 1, which is still x squared, equals, here I'm left with 2x, of course still power 1, which is still 2x. So 2x raised to power 1 is still 2x, and x squared raised to power 1 is still x squared. Obviously, now we have a quadratic equation, and we can solve this easily by using factorization method. So I'm taking this term to the left. You now have x squared equals x squared minus, rather, because it's coming to the left now, x squared minus 2x equals 0, since there's nothing on the right hand side again. And then I'll find the HCF of the two terms, which is x. So the highest common factor here is x. You open your bracket since you're factorizing. X squared divided by x, see, gives you x, because x cancels one of the x. Then minus divided by plus gives you minus. Then 2x divided by x cancels x, you are left with 2, then equals 0. Then of course we know that if x times x minus 2 equals 0, then it means that x is equal to 0, or the x minus 2 is equal to 0. So let's solve this one. We are sure that x is 0 here now. Then here we now have x equals 0. The minus 2 becomes plus 2. Then we have x equals 2. So we have x equals 0 and x equals 2. So that's it.